Well, look who's coming to say hi. It's Miss Rainy Roo. How you doing, sweetheart? And that is not a blindfold, that is a fly mask, because the flies are brutal. So that keeps them out of her ears. They're biting flies, so they go in her ears and they bite, they draw blood. See, here they are right here. These guys are bad. And she has her boots on so they don't bite her legs. And we try to keep those nasty flies off you, huh? Yes, we do. She looks pretty stylish. Such a good girl. She's got a pretty big area here. And it goes all the way out there to the end of the property line. She's got a view of Mount Spokane through the trees, all to herself. You enjoy that grass.